Welcome to another UEN Teacher Tip. I'm Rob Bentley. Once the holiday season is over, it can be challenging for both students and teachers to get back into the rhythm of school. As a result, classroom management can sometimes be even more difficult than it was at the beginning of the year. In this video, I will share with you 3 technology tools that can help refresh your classroom management. Let's get started. Our first classroom management tool is Adobe Express, and specifically the Express seating chart template. Creating a well-organized seating arrangement can really improve productivity in the classroom. With Adobe Express, you can easily design and customize your seating chart. Simply drag and drop desks, add student names, and quickly you'll have a visually appealing seating arrangement that fits your classroom dynamics. This not only helps with classroom management, but it can also help you create a positive and collaborative learning atmosphere. Now let's move on to our second tool called Bouncy Balls. A noisy classroom isn't necessarily a sign of poor classroom management. It can actually mean that students are busy collaborating on their work. Having said that, there are times when it's important to have a quiet classroom. That's where bouncyballs.org comes in. This interactive tool uses the microphone on your device to visualize noise levels with bouncing balls. As the noise level increases, the balls bounce higher, providing a real-time visual cue for students to self-regulate. It's a playful way to promote a quieter and more focused learning environment. Next up, we have classroomscreen.com. This website brings multiple classroom management tools to your fingertips. It allows you to display a variety of helpful widgets on your screen, such as a timer, noise level meter, which is similar to bouncy balls, and even a random name picker. It's a one-stop shop for managing your classroom effectively. So those are 3 technology tools to help enhance effective classroom management. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time on the next UEN Teacher Tip.